What if we told you there was an easy way to see dimensions at a glance? Here's how. First, in the toolbar, as you can see, we will click on this icon called Create Dimensions. Next, we hover the mouse over various objects and features in the layout to see their dimensions. Decide which feature you'd like to measure and either left click on it or left click once at its starting point and once again at its end point. Make sure you select properly and have the create dimensions on it. And see, this is what happens. So double left click and we can control. It will be a movable pane. Position the dimension label somewhere legible and left click one more time to set the label in place. If you need to adjust the dimension label, select the cursor from the toolbar. And you can just change it there and control it as easy as possible. To adjust the area being measured, click and drag one of the adjustment arrows. Being able to adjust the position of your dimension labels comes in real handy when you've got multiple measurements to keep track of in one area. As you can see, all these dimensions here. Text labels are also useful for adding details to your design as well as little notes to self in the margins. Let's learn how to make them. Select Add Text from the toolbar and this box will pop up. Again, tips should just be mandatory, not just for the fun of it. Left click anywhere on the 3D view plane to be able to add a text. Type your label into the text field. We're going to make this a homesteading note to self. This is where I would keep my chickens. Let's say that. And make sure you write properly, lowercase, double case. It helps. Good grammar is always necessary. And you can choose the font, you can choose the size, and the color, as you can see. And if you would like to make it visible in 3D view, just click here. Choose the cursor, and you can just rotate and just move it wherever you would like it to be. Now let's actually make it bigger. Isn't that better?